And we have Intelligent here. You're the hip-hop vegan. That's what everyone knows you as.
Yeah. That's right. Hip-hop head since 1988. Vegan since 2000. I edited books written by rappers, published by rappers. My book was featured on Love and Hip Hop. I live and breathe hip hop.
So what's up, everybody? Shanna G here. Award-winning model since 2006. Vegan since 2018. Featured in fashion shows and commercials, inside magazines and on the cover of magazines. And I've even been written about in an anthology.
We've been together for 5 years.
Bonded through our love for entrepreneurship, health, and entertainment.
I'm a graphic designer for my company, Koozie Arts.
And together we own Uswear, a clothing line that empowers people through fashion.
We're a vegan couple handling business and interviewing business owners.
So watch us prepare vegan food and review vegan restaurants.
And catch us entertaining ourselves through the arts, music, and other activities.
Welcome to VeganBiz. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of VeganBiz.
Peace.
It's Pisces season, by the way. My birthday just passed and we're off to a mini getaway in a tiny cabin, tiny house, so I'm excited about that. So we're going to be filming a little bit along the way while we're going, just to show you guys where it's located at. So guys, we have arrived at our mini getaway tiny cabin. As you can see, her name is Jarena.
Back at the cabin, quick tour. See what we got going on here. They give you a little LED lantern, so at night you can go outside. Got a little light. It charges up in the port and wall. So that was cool. Going high tech. This ain't back in the days with no fire lanterns. Then we got our table. Got all our little goods there. This is the book. A little package they leave. See, it's addressed to Shanna. Welcome to your getaway. Got some other information on there. The solitude you've been searching for is finally here. Enjoy, Rosie. Oh, nice. Open that up. Got information here. The lay of the land. Just give you some basic on information about checking in and checking out, etc. The address of the place, 24-hour support, etc., etc. Then inside, you got stuff about neighborhood necessities, guidelines. They don't want you burning down the place with the fire and all that good stuff. All y'all do is be busy bugging, smoking weed, throwing your roaches around, causing fire. Then got some photos. Give you a little inspiration. You know, they make the good photos, entice you. And you got the Getaway Guide, inspiration for your escape. So one side, this side is going to give you stuff to do. 36 ways to get away. So they got everything on there, from yoga to reading books to telling ghost stories. Of course, we ain't use none of that. We got our own plans. We came with a plan of action. On the other side, you got a whole bunch of stuff that's nearby, but it's really not nearby unless you want to drive. Everything's about a mile away. Everything from the stores and the supermarkets to the walking trails. So yeah, so that's all that. That's your Getaway Guide. In case you ain't know what you was doing, they got something for you. We just throw all that together right there like that, because that's what I do. Then of course, they got the cell phone lockbox. If you want to come here and get away from all of the stuff, the technology, the social media and all that stuff, so you can put your cell phone inside the lockbox. Boom. I'm put mine in there too. Boom.
Tell everybody what the whole point of the getaway is.
So that's the point of that is, when you're coming out here, you want some solitude. You're out in the woods. You're chilling. You want to get away from the everyday madness. So you don't need people calling you every day. You don't need to be on the phone running your lips. You could do that when you get back into the town. So, of course, they got some other goodies here. Free complimentary milk chocolate bar, marshmallows so you can make s'mores. Getaway s'mores kit. Of course, we won't be touching that because that is not vegan. If you didn't know, marshmallows usually have gelatin, and it usually comes from the pig. We don't do that. And then the milk candy bars, milk chocolate, you know where that comes from? The cow. So we are not dealing with that. Then we just got some goods. We got paper cups and plates and all that stuff, even though they give it to you. We got some cards over there. We're going old school. They also have some cards and stuff here too. And here's their good old bowls and cups and all that stuff in case you ain't bring nothing to eat with. And they got a cutting board too. You go down a little further, they got some pots for you. Then we got the tea kettle down below, which I thought was cool. Nice little tea kettle. Then you got your knives over here, your essentials and stuff over the sink. It's a decent sized little sink and everything. You can move without, you know, being all claustrophobic. I thought it was going to happen.
And that's the only sink in here, so you have to use that sink for everything. That's
the only sink. No sink in the bathroom. Then over here, you got a little storage. You put what you need in there.
Show them the little mirror.
Come with a little mirror inside of there too. No mirror in the bathroom either. So ladies, you won't be prepping, going crazy in the bathroom unless you're going to use that little mirror or bring one. Then you got your little radio. They also leave some radio stations for you to check out.
Old school radio.
They got a few books in there in case you want to do some reading. And then what I thought was cool, you got a little box which includes some playing cards and some dice. So they got 5 dice, which I thought was cool because I'm an old dice player from back in the days in Brooklyn. So we got 3 dice for CeeLo, and then you got 2 dice if you're in the craps. But if you're from New York, you know about CeeLo. That's what we do in New York. So boom. Oh, pick that up. Then what else we got over here? Just some more stuff. We brought some goodies. And this is kind of interesting. They got a whole bunch of stuff here for you. Everything here from coffee to tea to hot chocolate, oatmeal, pasta, soup, jerky, cookies, all that. See? But it's not free. Price list is right here. Coffee gonna cost you $1.50. Tea gonna cost you $2.50. Chocolate 50 cents. Oatmeal $3.50, etc., etc. Of course, we won't need none of that. We got our own goods.
Show them all the stuff we brought. So
this is what we got left over so far. Everything you could think of. We got sun-dried tomatoes. Made a little kale salad with that earlier. We got some broccoli florets. We got some pipcorn back there. I thought to pick that up from Trader Joe's because I saw them on Shark Tank. Figure we try that. We got my tea. I've been hitting this up, the lemongrass ginseng. On top of that, some chocolate Shannon got.
That's some cocoa.
We got the organic black beans. We got some corn. We got some vinegar there. We put it in water to wash our veggies. Got some brown rice. Got raisins. We got some quinoa. We got a little oatmeal. Got some cashews. Got some wheat bread. We got some vegan ramen noodles. Pick these up from 7 Under. If you're in Atlanta and you're in the vegan scene, you know about 7 Under. It's a cooperative down here, health food store.
Tell them what you're making with that tonight, baby.
So we're gonna hook that up. Got some vegetable broth gonna go with that. We got some spicy black bean soup that's gonna go with it too. We got some pasta up top. We probably not even gonna make that. Some cereal behind that, the Ezekiel cereal. What else we got? The organic broth is back there. We got our ketchup. Got some oil. All the different seasonings. Gotta have that Himalayan pink salt. And some tamari. And then we got some vegan wine over here from out of Whole Foods. Little Pinot Noir. So that's most of what we got right there. Well, actually, that came from Trader Joe's, that wine. Pardon me. So that's that.
You showed them the cute little refrigerator?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about the little fridge. They got the old school fridge. Nice, right? I saw that. I thought we was in the 20s. So we got some essentials inside of there. Got your bottled water and stuff, of course. Some mushrooms and olives up top. Got some almond milk down there. Some field roll sausages. Got some leftover salad I made yesterday. Some sweet potatoes Shannon made for breakfast. Mushrooms and all that. Got some strawberries and stuff in the freezer. Carrots and all that. Some kale still here. You know, some more goodies up in there. Also, right here is your AC heating unit, which you actually turn on from up top. That's right over there. That's cool. You also got your lighting over here that lights up underneath the spot. So I thought that was cool. It's also dimmable, so you can dim it. Then of course we got a little exhaust system for all y'all people who can't cook, be burning it down. Gonna suck that smoke right up. And we got some lighting over here at the bed. I thought that was cool. Got another light down there. Got the good old big window. Got the good old little window. So this is your view when you're laying in the bed straight in front of you. You look to the side, you got that. Boom. And of course, both of these come with shades, so you can roll them down. You don't want nobody peeping toms in the forest. You don't want the bears looking at you. So you just roll that down and you keep going, roll it all the way down. Then this is pretty cool. Attached to the bed, they got this area. It's kind of like a little bench, so you can sit on this. Then underneath it is a storage space. Then we come around. Yeah. Behind the door. We got some stuff behind there, but let me put a little emphasis on the table first. I thought it was cool. It's very sturdy and it's connected to the wall. Like, part of it is connected to the wall. You got a little chair. And behind the door, you got your stuff, your hanger areas. You can hang your stuff up. We got our boom mic stand over there. And underneath they got a little space, which I put some footwear under there. Then also, forgot about this. Underneath the sink, you got a lot going on down there. You got a garbage bucket. You got a little broom. They give you some aluminum foil. You got a little doggy bowl over there in case you got your canine with you. You got some whatchamacallit here, some paper towels, little extra paper towels down there. That's pretty cool. And a little bar to keep your rags on. Then you step inside the bathroom. It's tight, but it's not too tight. It's better than I thought. So you got your little area where you hang your towels and stuff. They give you a couple of towels, but of course we bring our own towels. So you got those. Got some goods we left there. Put on top of some toiletries on top of the toilet. And it got a little mini garbage, of course, for the bathroom. And then your first aid kit is inside there. So if you got issues, you pop that open. And you got your little band-aids and stuff, and all type of stuff in there. So we close that up, and your toilet tissue down there. And you turn around this way is your bathroom, your shower. So they supply some shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. Not using none of that, got our own stuff once again. Shower was cool. I ain't like the fact though that it got cold. I was only about maybe, I don't know, maybe 12 minutes in and it started getting cold. So I wasn't too impressed with that. Shanna, same thing happened with her. But you know, it is what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go low tech. So we got a little Scrabble here. We're gonna do that in a little while. We got some empowerment cards we picked up at an event before. Teaches you stuff about black folks. So we're about black empowerment. So we definitely gonna do that. And some regular cards.
You gonna put it back on us?
So that's the inside. Once again, this is the outside. My car parked over there. Background, another cabin. Family left earlier. That's it, man.
Jarena. We're in Jarena.
Well, that's where we chilling. We in Jarena. The Getaway in Jarena.